Hey YouTube, this is Mark from What Comes Next. And what we're going to do today, even though it's very cold out here in Pennsylvania, calling for snow, that's why I'm all bundled up, but I got a new set of DNA Megaphone mufflers, and what I'd like to do today is switch out a couple of sets of mufflers so you guys understand and can maybe get a little bit of a feel for what things sound like with the DNA Megaphone mufflers. But I thought I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison about what the stock mufflers sound like with the side turnout. It's more of a glass pack design. There's another video that's posted on YouTube, and I'll link to that video up there. And also, we're going to slip on some S&S Quiet Tour mufflers, and then we're going to put the DNA Megaphone mufflers on. So if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also ring that notification bell. I'm not going to really go over everything that's necessary to change out the mufflers. I'm assuming if you guys have already listened to other videos and you've seen other videos that you already know how to switch out your slip-on mufflers. But I really wanted to focus on what the sound is like on a 1995 Harley-Davidson Electroglide Evo engine, and as we look at each of them, and then what they're going to sound like once we get it started up. And we'll get to work right here. So what you're looking at right now is just the factory muffler, and this is a side turnout design, as you can clearly see. And this is a straight through muffler. It does not have any baffles in there. You can see that it's not very large in diameter. I mean, I can get my hand all the way around there, as you can see. Not very long at all, not very large diameter, so it doesn't have a very deep tone to it. And I have a video clip here. Well, here we go.